Jika okay. Hey, good afternoon, everyone. Today we are from Group 1. We would like to present you about Chapter 11 about the managing knowledge and artificial intelligence. And the case will be can cars drive themselves and should they? Next, please.
So I will give the brief explanation about the overview of the case. So will cars will drive themselves without human options? Should they and are they good business investments? Everyone is searching for the answer. And autonomous vehicle technology has reached a point where no automaker can ignore it. And major automakers are racing to develop and perfect autonomous vehicles, right? And believing that the market for them could one day reach trillions of dollars. Ride-hailing companies like Uber and also Lyft believe driverless cars that eliminate labor costs are key to their long-term profitability. Cars that drive themselves have been on the road in select locations in California, Arizona, Michigan, Paris, London, Singapore, and also Beijing. Waymo, the company that emerged from Google's self-driving car project, predict that by 2020, its fleet of self-driving Jaguars will make as many as 1 million trips per day, and car that is supposed to take over driving from a human requires a very powerful computer system that must process and also analyze large amounts of data generated by myriad sensors, cameras, and also other devices to control and also adjust steering, accelerating, and also the braking in response to real-time conditions. There are several key technologies in a self-driving car. The first one is sensors. The second one is cameras, and also lidars, GPS, radar, computer maps, and also machine learning, deep learning, and also computer vision technology. And in March 2020, a self-driving Uber Volvo XC90 or XC90 in autonomous mode struck and killed a woman in Tempe, Arizona. Since the crash, Arizona has suspended autonomous vehicle testing in the state, and Uber is not renewing its permit to test self-driving cars in California. The Uber accident raised questions about whether autonomous vehicles were even ready to be tested on public roads and how regulators should deal with this. There's still plenty needs to be improved before autonomous vehicles are not yet able to operate safely in all weather conditions. Heavy rain or snow can confuse current car radar and also lidar systems. Autonomous vehicles cannot operate on their own in such weather conditions. Also, in some conditions, could be trouble when tree branches how too low, bridges and also road have plain markings and also the abstract objects. Less advanced versions of autonomous vehicle technology is already on the market, like uh, Cadillac Super Cruise, Nissan ProPilot Assist, and also Tesla Autopilot are capable of keeping a car in its lane and safe distance from other cars, allowing the driver behind the wheel to take hands off the wheel, and provided that person keeps paying attention and ready to take control if needed. And this less advanced systems cannot see things like stop fire trucks or traffic lights, but humans haven't made good driving backups because their attention tends to wander when at least two Tesla drivers in the US have died using this system. And let's not forget the security. A self-driving car is essentially a collection of network computers and sensors linked wirelessly to the outside world, and it is no more secure than other network systems, keeping systems safe from intruders who want to cross or weaponize cars may prove to be the greatest challenge confronting autonomous vehicles in the future. Indra, maybe you can continue the case.
Okay. The self-driving cars they require new the ecosystem to support them. And much as today's cars are dependent on the garage, gasoline station, and highway systems, new roads, highways, and automotive supply chains will have to be rebuilt for self-driving cars. The big automakers that build millions of cars a year rely on complex, precise interaction among the hundreds of companies, including the automotive component suppliers and the services to keep cars running. They need the dealer to sell the cars, gas pumps or charging stations to fuel them, body shops to fix them, and parking lots to store them. Manufacturers of autonomous vehicles need to rethink the interaction and the process built up over the century. The highway infrastructure will need the change over to support the autonomous vehicle. Next, please. And in the future, it could devastate the auto industry along with gas stations, taxi driver, and truckers. People might stop buying cars because services like Uber using self-driving cars would be cheaper. This could cause mass unemployment of taxi drivers and large reduction in auto sales. It would also cut down the need for many parking garages and parking space, freeing up the valuable real estate for other purposes. Some people will prosper. Most will probably benefit, but many will be left behind. Driverless technology is estimated to change one in every nine US jobs, although it will also create new jobs. Next, please. And then jump into the case questions. First one, what are the management, organizational, and technology challenges posed by self-driving car technology? From the management insight, the challenges are a higher resource gathering cost, and the business model can be tricky business, and it should consider constraints like a traffic, safety, time, and money. And the third one, it need to create and to be maintained, and the regulation is the biggest obstacle of this innovation. And from the organizational insight, the challenges are the collaboration and sharing data among companies, the acquisition and the partnership between manufacturer and tech company, and the privacy invasive technology capable of always on monitoring during the operation. And then from technological insight, the challenge will be artificial intelligence development because it's technology, it will need research and development further. And there are many process, part, and function that need to be in place. It requires intensive data in order to operate effectively. And the last is safetyness. Next.
And for the second question, are self-driving cars serious investments? Explain your answer. So after we discuss with our group, will be a great business investment because in this sense, among the industries that will be most clearly impacted are auto manufacturers and also ride sharing services, but also insurance companies will bear a burden since the crises are expected to decline like stations, airlines, and also hotels are all are connected to the transportation industry and will be changed as well. And manufacturing costs for cars will increase due to the quantity and also cost of the technology necessary in AVs, and meaning that potentially car ownership will decline. For uh, for question, will cars really be able to drive themselves without human operations? And should they? We think that autonomous vehicles can learn to predict behaviors of other automobiles and also pedestrians by using artificial intelligence and also machine learning. Through repeat observation and also modeling, the software behind the autonomous vehicles can predict paths that most explicitly. The most likely moves of other vehicles on the road by based on what it has recorded in the past. And as more AVs take to the road, the technology will become even safer since they will be able to communicate with another and will not have to worry about the variance of human error. So we believe cars will be able to drive themselves without human operations. So this is the connection to the chapter, the case with the chapter. So AI involves the attempt to build computer systems that think and act like humans. Humans see, hear, and also communicate with natural languages, right? And we as a human also make decisions, plan for the future, and also achieve goals, perceive patterns in their environments, and learn among many capabilities. Artificial intelligence programs are likely all computer programs, and they take data input from the environment, process the data, and also produce outputs. AI programs differ from traditional software programs in the techniques and also technologies they use to input and also process the data, of course. And AI systems today can perform many tasks that would be impossible for humans to accomplish and can equal or come close to human in tasks. And autonomous cars use artificial intelligence systems so that it will be able to drive itself without the human control someday. That's all from our group. Is there any question? If
No.
there is no question, I will close my presentation. So thank you very much for your nice attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Lu mute aja Ndra, di tempat gue belum boot. Nah ya. Hello everyone, and today our group will present you of is enhancing decision making. And then the case of this chapter is predicts the General Electric feature. So the first, what's General Electric? General Electric is a large industrial company that produces equipment. In the past few years, GA has turned its focus to be more technology and software driven. GA started gathering data from industrial machines to help their customer keep track of equipment performance. Their cloud-based allows GA customers to find ways to limit the amount of time and money associated with machine inefficiencies such as breakdowns or performance issue. The foundation for all the GA industrial internet or EOT application is Predix software platform launched in 2015 to collect data from industrial and analyze the information in the cloud. Predix is able to provide GA corporate customer machine operator and maintenance engineering with real-time information to schedule maintenance checks, improve machine efficiency, and reduce downtime. Decision-making process has 4 steps: intelligence, design, choice, and implementation. The first intelligence is determining and understanding the problem. Design is exploration of making the chosen solution work for the organization. Big data analytics help manager in various organizations make decision. And in this case study, GA is using the Internet of Things application to deliver correct, nearly real-time information to their customers so that they can improve their business operation decision. So the first case study question is how is electric changing its business strategy and business model? What information in GS business? So General Electric is transitioning to more of a technology-centric business model and business strategy. They are also selling of the division that make refrigerators, make microwave ovens, and along GA Capital Financial Service to focus on electric power generator, jet engine, automotive, and oil refining gear, and software to connect this device to the cloud. Loudon 2018. General Electric is putting its money into the technology that monitor and control industrial machine as well as software cloud-based for analyzing and deriving value from the data. The second question is on what business function decision making is electric focusing. General Electric using sensor generated data from industrial machine to help customer monitor and perform downs and assess the machine overall health. This new technology is opening new opportunities for General Electric customer while along with helping to transform from a traditional manufacturer to more of a modern digital business. General Electric has committed around $1 billion to installing sensor on gas turbines, jet engine, and other machines, connect to the cloud, and analyzing the resulting productivity and reliability. In other words, General Electric is betting in its future of software and the Internet of Things. And the last question is describe three kinds of decision that can be supported using predicts. What is the value to the firm of each of those decisions? Developed by other companies as well as General Electric, is available for on-premises or cloud-based deployment and can be extended by customer with their own data sources, algorithms, and code. Predict is not limited to industrial application. It could be used for analyzing data in healthcare system. For example, General Electric now has a health cloud running on Predix. And then the third, Predix is able to provide General Electric corporates, customer, machine operators, and maintenance, generating real-time information schedule, maintenance, improve efficiency, and reduce downtime. And then to what extent is General Electric become a software company? Explain your answer. Our groups are, but many customers use General Electric equipment with other equipment from different companies. They want General Electric to analyze this non-General Electric equipment and help them run dealing with some of their customer about machine properties in their operation. I think that's all the presentation from group 2 about the chapter 12. Thank you very much for your attention.